Calcium hypochlorite, Ca, is a powerful and versatile chemical compound, commonly used for its disinfectant and oxidizing properties. It is primarily recognized for its essential role in water treatment, particularly in the disinfection of drinking water, swimming pools, and industrial water systems. As a strong oxidizer, calcium hypochlorite effectively eliminates harmful microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and algae, making it an indispensable tool in maintaining clean and safe water for both domestic and commercial applications. Its ability to release chlorine when dissolved in water provides reliable sanitation, ensuring that water sources remain free from harmful pathogens that could pose a risk to human health. Additionally, calcium hypochlorite is used in a variety of industrial processes, including wastewater treatment, bleaching, and surface disinfection, where its oxidative capabilities are crucial. Beyond water treatment, calcium hypochlorite is highly valued for its role in cleaning and sanitizing. In pool maintenance, it is the preferred choice for keeping water clean and clear, as it effectively controls algae and bacteria growth while stabilizing pH levels. It is also widely used in agricultural applications, particularly for disinfecting irrigation systems and food processing environments. Due to its stability and long shelf life, calcium hypochlorite is a cost-effective solution for continuous sanitation, reducing the need for frequent replacements or replenishments. Its versatility extends to various sectors, including healthcare, where it helps disinfect surfaces, medical instruments, and facilities, ensuring higher standards of hygiene. Despite its wide usage, proper handling and storage are necessary to avoid potential hazards associated with its reactive nature, particularly when exposed to moisture or incompatible substances.